All right, we have come quite a ways, haven't we? We are all the way through creating flexible layouts. We got through creating combo layouts, or layouts that make use of fixed and flexible elements. And now we are on to creating a fixed layout. My personal preference, by the way, I don't know why, it just seems to, you know what I think it is for me, the reason why fixed layouts appeal to me is because I have a background in print, and I'm used to things being fixed, you know, on a brochure layout or a poster layout. I mean, the print dimensions are X, and that is our definable area, and that's what we're going to design inside. Seems to work with my brain. Anyway, we're going to do our setup here in this exercise for our fixed layout. The setup here is pretty much exactly the same as the setup for from the previous chapter for the combo layouts. So as always, I've got an empty HTML file here ready to rock. And what I'm going to do here, I'm going to do this real fast again because it's pretty much the same as it is from the previous exercise. We're going to have a master div, which is going to wrap around the entire layout, something like this. And by the way, the layout is going to have this master div, of course, wrapping around the entire layout. And then all I'm going to do is I'm just going to have I'm going to keep it kind of simple. I'm just going to have a header across the top, footer across the bottom, menu rolling down the left-hand side, and then a main content area. So similar in look anyway, sort of, to the layout that we just finished, the combo layout. So anyway, just trying to keep it simple here for you and straightforward. Okay. Once again, I'm just going to do this super fast. We need 4 more ID selectors and 4 more divs. 3, 4. We need, forgive me for going fast here, I don't want to waste your time. So header and menu and content and footer. As always, you can use your own naming convention if you wish. And I'm just going to go and throw these guys into the body of the document. There's the menu, and content and footer. Did I miss one? Oh, I missed my header. Oh. There we go. And be sure to change the IDs for each of these guys. I'm actually doing better, typing faster than I was before. That's good. Okay, great. All right. At this point, I think what I'm going to do is I'm also going to throw in some text into each of these guys, as we did before, just so we can see them on screen here. And I'm going to go and grab my dummy text, my lorem ipsum here, this good stuff here, and that's going to be inside, or reside inside, the content div. Just like that. Is that cool? Does that make sense? I hope I didn't do that too fast. And if you want, you can flip over to your browser, check out what you get. It's not very exciting. So now what we need to do is we need to go and rock out some properties for our ID selectors inside the internal style sheet at the top of our document. So we'll do that in the next exercise. We will set up our master. It's going to be a little bit different than it was from the previous chapter, and we'll also set up our header. So you're going to see some slightly different properties happening here now that we're working on a fixed layout.